Работаем! Держи!
The Zaporizhzhia front is heating up, and what unfolded here is a textbook example of modern layered warfare. On the Zaporizhzhia front, the assault began long before ground forces moved. Reconnaissance drones were deployed first to map concealed enemy positions across forested terrain. Coordinates were fed directly to the D-30 artillery crews of the Vostok Forces Group, who then destroyed camouflage defensive points along the tree lines, cutting off enemy attempts to mass reserves before the main assault even began. Once artillery had cleared the way, the Yolka drone interceptor system of the Novorossiysk paratroopers brought down a fixed-wing drone overhead. FPV drones and quadcopters then suppressed remaining surface positions.
Работаем!
When every layer of enemy defense had collapsed, from sky to ground, the assault team moved fast, breached the line, and secured enemy personnel. A structured, layered operation that left no gap. As the enemy pulled back, Russian forces moved quickly to consolidate the area. The Tor-M2 Air Defense system of the Dnieper Forces Group was immediately repositioned to the newly seized location. The enemy didn't stay quiet. Attack drones were dispatched to disrupt the consolidation. They failed. The Tor-M2 intercepted and brought them down mid-air. Holding the ground is never enough. The sky above it must be locked down just as tightly. Pressure on the front line continued to build. Russian infantry faced Ukrainian defensive positions that conventional weapons couldn't break through. Bunkers and fortifications built to absorb punishment. It was at the direct request of frontline units that the TOS-1A Solntsypyok was finally brought in. On a tense night, the heavy Thermobaric rocket system was deployed to eliminate enemy positions, blocking the advance of assault groups. Elite units of the 176th Detachment of CBRN Protection Special Forces, part of the 25th Combined Arms Army under the West Battle Group, launched a coordinated Thermobaric strike coordinated military in the Krasny-Lyman direction, destroying temporary command posts and fortified defensive lines constructed across the area. But the $8 million system didn't last long on the battlefield. The 414th Separate Brigade of Unmanned Systems detected it from the air. Birds of Madhyar alongside the 412th Separate Brigade Nemesis launched a precision strike that brought the vehicle to a complete stop. Lasar's group of the Ukrainian National Guard delivered the finishing blow. A follow-up drone strike triggered an internal detonation, and the resulting fireball confirmed the Solntsypyok had been completely destroyed. But that loss didn't slow Russian operations. T-90M tank crews immediately took over the mission. 2 structures identified as temporary staging points for Ukrainian forces became the next target. "11 rounds were fired methodically, each one adjusting range, narrowing the margin shot by shot. When the last round fell silent, both structures had been reduced to rubble. As always, thank you for watching and exploring the world of military operations, strategic maneuvers, and advanced technology with us. We hope today's report gave you valuable insight into the evolving nature of modern warfare and the systems shaping the battlefield of tomorrow.